What's something people typically don't know about cats until they have one as a pet?
If you have a routine, they will adapt to it. My cat gets upset if we stay up late. He goes to lay in his bed and will meow to tell us it's bedtime. And the flip side though, if we try to sleep in, he wakes us up when we usually wake up lol.
The random running for no reason during the night.
They do learn the names and come when you call them, and they will follow you around.
They are far more affectionate than people think.